Hey there, wonderful parents. Welcome back to Baby Snooze Experts, where we believe every night should be a good night for both you and your mini-me. Today, we're diving into a topic as sticky as a melted candy bar, breaking the nursing to sleep habit. Let's find out how to reclaim your nights without staging a bedtime coup. So, nursing to sleep is kind of the ultimate parenting hack in the early days. It's natural, it's comforting, and let's be honest, it works like a charm. Until it doesn't. It's like that one-hit wonder song that's great the first 100 times. But then you realize you can't listen to anything else without causing a meltdown. Here's the rub. When little ones grow older, falling asleep at the bar, the milk bar, can lead to some sticky nights. They start thinking they can't sleep without a nursing session, and this can interrupt their ability to snooze on their own. Suddenly, you're up more often than a night might. Many of you have shared stories about the sleepless nights and desperate Googling for solutions. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of gently weaning your baby off the all-you-can-eat midnight buffet with some tried-and-true tactics.
First, you'll need to establish
new routines. Set a consistent bedtime. Let's wind things down with a bedtime routine that doesn't include a last call at the milk bar. Think warm bath, a quiet story time, and soft music, kind of like a spa night but for babies. Relaxation techniques. Try some soothing techniques like gentle rocking or patting. Think of it as your baby's first yoga class, minus the awkward poses.
Next, you can also look at
introducing other comfort mechanisms. Use of a pacifier. It's like giving them their own little mute button that helps them soothe themselves without a full meal. Comfort objects. Introduce a soft blanket or a cuddly stuffed animal. It's like their first BFF who's there for every nap time and night. Gradually reducing nursing sessions at bedtime. Kind of like slowly turning down the volume on their favorite song. Letting them get used to less until they can snooze without it. Another option is to delay nursing. Shake up the routine by reading or cuddling first, so nursing isn't the opening act anymore. Increase time between nursing. Gradually stretch out those intervals, teaching them to fall asleep without being latched onto the snack bar. Supporting these transitions. Consistency is key. Stick to the new routine like glitter sticks to, well, everything. Babies love predictability, and they'll adjust more quickly if you're consistent. Patience and persistence. Keep at it, even when the going gets tough. Think of it as your nightly workout routine. No pain, no gain, but eventually, everyone sleeps better. Alright, it's time to wrap up this bedtime story. Remember, swapping nursing for nuzzling at bedtime is totally doable. Be patient, be consistent, and soon you'll all be snoozing more soundly. Don't forget to swing by the description below for your free personalized sleep assessment from us at Baby Snooze. And hey, let's dream big together, literally. Until next time, keep those dreams sweet and those nights long. Sleep well.